Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll walk you through LinkWhisp SU. LinkWhisp SU. So I'll walk you through and open your dashboard like this. You go to plugins. Under the plugins, you have install plugins and new plugins. So this is the install plugins that I have installed. This is the plugins I have installed. So here you see new plugin. So you type new plugin. When you type for new plugin, then you see there's a search here, search plugin. So you type there to search for the LinkWhisp plugin. So link, so we type LinkWhisp, you type for it, so it will search for the plugin. So this is the plugin. Install. It is installing. Good. After it has installed, you activate. You click on activate. So it will activate. After it has finished activating, it will go to your the plugin that you have installed already. So you then go and search for it. So now I'm searching for the plugin. I'm searching. So you search for the plugin. Yeah, so this is the plugin here. So this is the plugin. You then click on settings. You click on settings. You click on settings. Yes. When you click on settings here, it will go to the here. You choose a language that you prefer or the language that you are good at. You choose here. It is telling you words to be ignored. So here, don't touch anything here. You scroll down here, post type to create link for home page and pages. So the rest you leave it. So that's the home page and the pages. That's the content and the one or the home page. The post is the content that you've written. So you scroll down, type of process. So here I will choose category. So you choose category. Here, number of sentences to skip. You can choose 3 or more. You can leave it here. Here, maximum number of suggesting to display. Here you can leave it here. You can say no limit, so it will use the default. So it will take the number to do. So here, don't touch anything here. Here, monitor the link change for the here. Good. Here, delete all LinkWhisp data. Don't touch anything. Don't take or don't highlight. monitor the change on the or you can leave it to when you finish. You click save settings. So it is saving. Good. You see here the link setting has been successful update or updated successfully. Yes. Good. Here, if you want, you can come here to check the report. So here, this is the basic settings for the Whisper. So here is the basic settings. So can you subscribe to my channel? Bye bye. Thank you.